Good morning, dear students. We have completed our syllabus for the first periodical test, and now we will have the revision of the chapters which we have already completed. So today we are going to revise the first chapter, The Nation Beckons You. So already we have seen that in this chapter we have to study about the invitation of the country for doing different kinds of activities and serving the nation. So serving the nation doesn't mean that you have to become a soldier or you have to become a political leader or such kind of things. So you have to dedicate yourself for the entire country and live like that. Okay. So, but in this chapter, it is described that we have to do different kind of activities or whatever may be the activities that we are doing. But when we do it in a best manner, when we do it in the with our full dedication, we do a service to the country. So we help in the development of the nation. So imagine that's like if you are a doctor. So when you are giving service to the patients, when we are treating the patients of our country, so that itself is a kind of service to the nation. When you are, if you are a farmer, so then by giving, producing different type of food items like wheat or rice or any kind of things like that. So we produce the things for the country and we make it. We are making it and supplying it for the people in our country. So such a way we are producing the necessary things for the country. And also if we imagine that if it is a businessman, so we are producing some kind of product and distributing. So all the people in our country are required of different products, and we produce and sell the product. And in such a way we when we make any number of product, we produce and sell the product, or we consume the product. So whatever may be the activity that we are performing, so this all these kinds of activities are helping in the production of the products. So when we produce a product, then it's the country's GDP, gross domestic product of the country, is increasing. So this it's also helps in the development of the country. So when we produce more amount of product and we sell the product, so when we produce and sell the product, when we purchase a product, we pay the tax, isn't it? So along with the product, when you have seen the maximum retail price of a product, you can understand that it is written that it is inclusive of all taxes. So in that all the taxes are included. So when you purchase a toffee of 1 rupee, so in that you are paying a tax to the country. So that is also kind of a service to the country. So the money that we are paying as a tax can be utilized for the well-being of our citizens in our country. So whatever may be the activity that we are doing, that it is not necessary in order to do the service, we need not to dedicate ourselves fully for going out and not doing any work and go out and serve the nation. It is not like that. So we have to do the work assigned to us, whatever may be the small things that we are supposed to do, that we have to do it in a nice manner. Okay. So let us see the chapter. A country requires a government and a constitution to function. It requires all its citizens to abide by the rules of the constitution for its smooth functioning. So first thing that we have to do in our country, or in order to serve the country, is that we have to follow the constitution. Do you know what is the constitution? Constitution is the rules and regulations of our country. So we have, every government has got its own constitution. The constitution is the list of rules and regulations and things that we are supposed to do and things that we are not supposed to do. So those kind of things are there, instructions are there for anything and everything. There, this constitution, in the constitution there are rules have been made. So, and in India we can say that it is Indian constitution is one of the most famous and one of the lengthiest constitution in the world. Okay, so then it has got each and every details are clearly mentioned in that, and we have to understand we have to try to study about the constitution, and we should also understand it and follow it in our life. So that is also that is the first duty of every citizens of our country. It is the duty of every citizen of India to serve the nation. Service implies voluntarily participation in the work for the welfare of its citizens. So here the meaning of service. So all the citizens of our country are supposed to do service to the country. So the meaning of service. So what is the meaning of a service? Service implies voluntary participation in the work for the welfare of its citizens. So we are voluntarily, with our own dedication, not with not with any kind of pressure or not with any force. We ourselves interestly, with taking our own interest, we come forward for doing the service. With our own interest, we are participating in the work of for the welfare of its citizens. So we have to see to it that the country's citizens are being in the nice positions or welfare of the people. Okay, so that we have to consider. It inculcates the spirit of participation, patriotism among its people. So serve the country sincerely. So this is when we take part in the welfare of the country, or when we work for the welfare of the citizens of the country, we are becoming the part of or we have following the spirit of patriotism. So we have a love for our country, and that love will be increased. So serve the country sincerely. So we have to serve the country with full of our dedication. You could be a scientist and serve the nation. So now there are different eras or different things that we have to do, how we can serve the nation. That is what is discussed. So first, as a scientist, okay, in this era of cutthroat competition and advanced technologies, a scientist helps the nation to assert its position in the world community. So we know, see, like we are living in the COVID pandemic situation. So then there is like COVID was there, and now see, like India has developed a vaccine. So we have made very good quality vaccines. So this, see, like it is a we can say that it is the very great achievement that our scientists have been made. Okay, so in our country we made a solution for this problem, though this entire world was suffering from this COVID-19 situation, and we could make a solution for that. Okay, even though it is not fully in control, but we can say that to a limit we have produced a vaccine, and this vaccine is even distributed all throughout the world. So it will increase the value of our country in front of other countries. So even more developed countries than our own, say like more better countries than India also is purchasing our vaccine. Or they could not, before they develop a vaccine, we could produce a vaccine. So this itself is a kind of great achievement that we have made. So this is the so like as a scientist, we can become or we can serve the nation. Okay, so this is their the work that they are doing. So they do and they make things. So or like we have made like Chandrayaan, or we have trying to go to the moon. So different type of activities that we are doing. The scientific researches are being done. So these kinds of activities will develop the value of, increase the value of our country in front of the world. India does not lack intelligence. Indians are the best in many fields in the world. The government is providing immense opportunities for the talented persons in our country. So you must build up your mind to serve the country rather than becoming crazy to go abroad for sake of making quick money. So some people say, like in our country, we so many intelligent people are there. So when we study about, if you study the history, you can understand that in our past, India was one of the leading country in the world. So, or we are considered like one of the biggest countries. Like Britishers came to India, or other people came to India, and they looted everything from our country, isn't it? So then see, like there were also very great scientists were there, isn't it? So then people, those who are like you might have heard about this Ramanujan or Aryabhatta and all those, so many people, great people are there, those who have lived in our country. So they were very great scientists were there, okay. But what happened is that their developments or their findings could not become that much famous. So because we were we don't have that much amount of facilities like. So but nowadays, if we are having some kind of facility, we are having all the facilities, all the infrastructures are there, the country is trying to give the opportunities or provide the opportunities for the citizens to develop themselves. So but still people are going abroad. So if you consider, like if you consider about NASA or any other world famous scientific research centers and all, there you can find that many of the people, those who are working, or the leading scientists in that those things are Indians. So if those Indians are working in our country itself, it will become benefit for our country. They go to foreign country and they work there, and they give their work, their service to their country, and their country is developing, okay. But we cannot get any benefit of this one. So but people go there because they get plenty of money there, you know. So large how much money that our government is providing, more than that the government of other countries are providing. So they are interested to go and make more money. Migration to other countries in search for better opportunities must be avoided. They must think that their motherland needs them more. So some people are there, they are going to other countries for their job. So or migrating to another countries. Many of the Indians are going to abroad or another countries, and they do their service there. So that kind of habit has to be changed. Healthy citizens have the wealth of the nations. You could be a physician or nurse and serve the nation. Physicians and nurses have the responsibility to provide the best health care for people. All patients deserve access to quality health care within their economic capabilities. Another way. So first we have studied about as a scientist how we can serve the nation. Now we are next to the way that we have to do is that becoming a physician or doctor or a nurse. Okay. So in our country, healthy citizens are required for the well-being of our country or development of our country. So for becoming or making the citizens healthy, we need doctors and nurses. So here also now this COVID-19 situations are there. So there are so many people, so many doctors, so many nurses. They have even dedicated their own life. They died for the country. You can say that they did their service for the well-being of the citizens, and while doing their service, they were treating the corona patients, and they got corona from them, and because of the corona they might have died. Okay, so they dedicated their own life for the welfare of our country. And even now there are so many nurses, so many doctors, so many hospital healthcare workers are there. They are working for the development of our country, or they are trying to provide protection from the this COVID-19. Okay, so we have already studied, we have heard that, or even policemen, and they are also doing a lot amount of service for controlling the spread of COVID-19. So, or we have to be cooperating to them. So, by becoming a physician or a nurse, also we can do service to the nation, and we should provide better healthcare facility to the people. And it should also, we should consider that, see, like nowadays the hospitals and these healthcare facilities and all are becoming like a business. So they sell medicines, and for the purpose of simply without any particular reason or without any necessity, they give some medicines in order to make more profit, or they suggest for some test, and the test may not be required. Then also some doctors are not are suggesting. So these kinds of activities are not good for the not good. We should not entertain such kind of activities, and as a doctor or as a nurse, we should also not do such kind of things, and we should only do the necessary things and try to serve the nations. Okay, so you may revise this chapter, and remaining portion we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you so much.